Hey guys, let's swap the ECU. It's really cold. Let's get into it fast. My name is Mate, welcome to the channel. If you wanna see more E36 repair videos, press subscribe followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Let's get into this. So hopefully you will be able to see what I'm doing. There are these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, to reveal the place where the ECU is hidden, and also the one-off control unit, because I have a backup of each, because as I said in some of the previous videos, this car had a earth connection issue and all the wiring was exchanged, and the guy said that my ECU was dead. But I remember that I had a eBay chip in it and I have the original chip still, so most probably I will try it out and see if my idle will be back to normal or not. Let's see. So there is the ECU, this the bottom one, and this is the one-off control. To remove these, there are one screw there, one on the other side, and hopefully that's all. I don't know. Let's see. Got the one-off out. Got the DME out as well. Now I will go and compare the numbers to my original one and see. Maybe try my original one out. Maybe it's not that busted. Try a different chip out and see if my idle will return to normal. I'm hoping that either the eBay chip or my original chip will fix the high idle. If not, then I will keep looking until I find the reason. So that was the E36 ECU Swap video. Hope it helped you out. If it did, hit subscribe, followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos.